Hi, everybody. Tom McGUIRE here, and I want to introduce you to the Restoration Mastery University. What we've done is we've taken all of our large loss mastery classes and we've put them online. We have over 40 hours of video to where you can now come in and at your own pace, you can take our class online, whether it's the business development class, the elite estimating class, the complex project management class, the next level technician class, and we also have our fifth class that we have in here is our vital document recovery. We are one of the only places that will train you on vital documents in the industry. And if you ever have any questions about any of this, you can always contact me directly. If you have any questions you want to ask, just give me a shout. I'll hook you up and we'll make it happen. Again, the Restoration Mastery University, we want to welcome you. If you want to check it out, give me a shout. Go to largelossmastery.com and we hope to see you soon. Talk to you soon. Cheers.